Let me show you one of the top selling brands in the RV industry right now and why you need to see this Forest River No Boundaries. This is the 2026 No Boundaries 19.3. It's a double axle non-slide bunk model coach with double over double bunks. I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough here. Starting at the front, we've got a fully molded front cap with an automotive grade windshield. We've got two 20-pound propane tanks here and a power front tongue jack. Coming around the side here, one thing that makes Nobo super unique and very popular is their capabilities for off-road and off-grid camping use. So first of all, this Nobo has the Beast Mode package. That gives you 400 watts of solar on the roof, plus a 2,000 watt inverter already equipped on the coach from factory. Check this suspension out. So we've got the Kurt Beast Mode suspension on here. You've got 6 inches of articulating travel, complete independent suspension that gives you fully off-road capability. We've got a heated and enclosed underbelly and tanks with 12 volt heat pads on your holding tanks as well. So extended season camping, early season, late season, that's going to help you out great with your water system. Huge power awning on here with an LED light. And then also right underneath your awning, you've got a huge window from your trailer overlooking your campsite side and a fantastic outdoor kitchen setup. We've got a metal weatherproof table here and a flat top griddle as well. Cook your bacon and eggs in the morning under the awning. Let's hop inside and have a look at this 19.3. Okay, so inside the 19.3, first of all, we've got a full queen size bed, but this isn't just a queen size bed, this is a Murphy bed. So you've got 2 nightstands on both sides, plus shelves back there with 110 volt plugins back there. When you're done with the bed for the day, you can fold this guy up. And then you've got a sofa, theater seat style here that you can use during the day if you've got company over. This trailer is only 24 feet bumper to bumper and only 4,900 pounds dry weight. So for a trailer this size, it's got a ton of amenities and some great decor. The green cabinets with the brown cushions have been a super hit. We've got great size counter space here, 2 burner gas cooktop, huge stainless steel sink with a nice high rise sink faucet as well. You've got a cupboard board or a cutting board there. On your door side, there's that big window that we saw outside. Great space to look over your campsite. Booth dinette here that also folds down to a bed with storage on both sides as well. Huge, again, 24-foot trailer. You've got a huge 10 cubic foot refrigerator. This is a 12 volt fridge, so it'll power off that 400 watts of solar on the roof. Down below, we've got a central vac system from factory, plus a toe kick dustpan, so you can easily sweep up any rocks or dirt that come into your trailer. Some more storage beside the fridge. Huge storage for a 24-foot trailer. And in the bathroom, we've got a full 3-piece bathroom with shower, foot flush toilet, and full vanity. One of my favorite things about this floor plan, again, is the versatility within the size. You've got double over double bunks here, but that flips up with a cargo door at the back. You can put kids' bikes in there. You can put kayaks in there, larger tote bins, great storage space. This is a 2026 Nobo 19.3, available at Rangeland RV in Calgary and Red Deer. Visit rangelandrv.com. Happy camping.